Okay, Ningizimu Afrika mzansi yabona ke ukuthi ke njengamanje MK iku 75,585 umuntu yabuka lapha ANC iku 37,148 umuntu yabuka iDA 21,551 IFP 30,978 bese uyobuka lapha ke NFP 1,884 wena mavoti ke lawa njengamanje eICC avezwayo ke uyabona ukuthi ke anything can happen ipercent ke sabaliwe ke 9% 50,15 amavoti ke asabaliwe 177,204 elakhulu ukuthi ke singaveza noma sisho ukuthi ubani ongaseke anqobe ukhetho la KwaZulu Natal, but these are just a few voters noma ke amavoti ke asabaliwe at the moment. It's still early days to say who's going to check the province of KwaZulu Natal, but we'll be here waiting to see what exactly is going to happen. Thank you so much.